my channel. My name is Tina and today we're doing collab. I love doing collabs and my New Year's resolution for my channel was to do more of them. So hopefully you will be seeing more collabs on my channel in the months to come throughout the year. Super excited for them. And today I am so happy that I am doing my collab with As Told by Jenny. That is her channel. Her name is Jenny Brocato, and you're gonna find her link in the cards and down below in the description box. So if you please check out her channel, that would be amazing. She has a voice like butter. Like seriously, if you like those super calming voices that are just, they sound so good, you're gonna love her channel. She does beautiful looks, great reviews. I love how she reviews her Ipsy bag. The rest of us should be doing it, but we're not that organized. Check out her channel because today we're gonna go into the Modern Renaissance palette. I know you haven't really seen this much on my channel. I don't hate this palette. I just thought it was like way overhyped. I don't have anything against it other than that, and it's not its fault, right? Yeah, it's not your fault. Today we're gonna do a Valentine's Day look. She's going to do a night look and I'm going to do a day look. If you want to know how to go to work looking super fab and really cute and then get off and to go out with your sweetheart for the night, she's going to be doing that look, which you'll find down there. So both of them are going to be very Valentine's Day and romantic, and this palette is perfect for that. Y'all know it. This palette is just absolutely full of those beautiful reds and, you know, nudes and stuff. You can create just a superb Valentine's Day look out of this, and that is what we are going to do. Mine will be a much more subdued look because it is for day and for school and things like that. I know, I've seen her look and oh, it's beautiful. So make sure you go check out her channel for the night look, because I guarantee you're gonna love it. So let's jump into this look. So you guys, I'm gonna take tempera and I will put that all over the lid. I already have my primer and everything done because it is a daytime look. I already did my foundation and everything. So this should go pretty smoothly. Okay, we're just gonna blend that all over the lid. Then I'm gonna take the double-ended brush that actually came with this palette, and I'm going to take Buon Fresco, which is this mauve pink color right here, and I'm going to start building up this outer corner and crease with that. Okay, and I just have it just a little bit darker up there with that color, and now I'm going to very, very carefully take a little bit of the love letter. Like seriously, we're gonna be very gentle with this. I want it to be pink more than red. I just have a tiny tad bit in there. When you do that, you just want to take, like, you know how you get kick up on this? Basically, you just want to tap into that kick up. Now I'm gonna take, like, we're talking the tiniest bit of Cypress Umber and stick that in the outer corner very, very gently. That's it. Okay, and we just have a very slight graduation going on there. And that is all we want for a daytime look. And then I'm going to take the mirror, which is this really nice highlight shade, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. I'll do my under eye with just a little bit of Buon Fresco, and then I'm going to put just a tiny bit of love letter in this outer corner over here. I line my eyes with just a neutral colored eyeliner, and for that I'm using the For Real Her in Champagne, or Real Her. I love this shade of eyeliner. It is like so good, especially for looks like this, or just open up the eye a little bit, especially if you have red waterline. This is like so good. Okay, and before I put on my lashes, I'm just going to do my blush and stuff. And for my blush, I'm going to use my Saharan palette. This has some really beautiful Valentine's Day shades that I think go super well with the Modern Renaissance palette. I mean, look at those two together. They're super, like, those colors all just like work together beautifully. I'm going to go in with a very light hand on B. I'm going to take Zola right here, and I'm just gonna go over the top of it just a little bit to give that just a hint of shimmer that'll go into the highlights, because I just think this color is beautiful. And it is, you know, Valentine's Day, so you want that really sweet, warm, romantic look. And now I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Kit, and I'm gonna take Sweet Peony, which is right here, and just highlight with that. And I am just going in really lightly with it because this is a daytime look. If you're somewhere where you can use more, go ahead and do that. And I think for just a hint more highlight-y lookingness, I am going to take just a little bit of this peony and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner just a tiny bit on the very inner part, like just a tiny, tiny bit. Because I already have the Vermeer there, I'm just sort of popping that up just a tiny bit. So if you hit the lights a little bit or something, there's no reason you can't glow a little bit during the daytime, right? Okay, so I am gonna take my little wispy lashes that I have here. These go inward, so they're real short on the inside, and then they come out more dramatically on the outside. I'm just gonna pop those on. So I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs mascara. This mascara, I really like it for my lower lashes a lot. When you're using fake lashes, putting mascara on your regular lashes ruins them. You can do it though, and if you have like an older set of lashes that you don't mind killing possibly, I actually think it looks really pretty if you do mascara and then, you know, use a pair of lash curlers and blend the two together. Beautiful look. But you're gonna go through lashes like crazy. So now I'm gonna take my Tarte Festival matte liquid lipstick. It is that beautiful mauve pink that's perfect with the look we're doing. Now my lashes should be dry, so I'm just gonna embed them really well together. And just for a tiny bit of glow, I'm gonna take just this regular lip gloss I have. This is like one of them really super cheap, tiny little round balls that you get. I think they're called Gems. And I don't know, they cost like $3 for 3 of them at Ulta. And just in the very center of the lip, I'm just patting that on to give it just that a little bit of shimmer right in the center of the lip. Gives it a little bit of fullness, that kissable look that we all want for Valentine's Day. This is my daytime look for Valentine's Day. I think it's super pretty. Most of us have the Modern Renaissance palette, so pull it out for Valentine's Day because this palette is made for that. It is a beautiful Valentine's Day palette. I hope you like this look, and I know you're gonna love Jenny's look. Please check out her channel. I just love the look she came up with. We worked this out so that you guys should be able to take this from my day look to her night look really easily. If you're like looking for a look where you get off work and you go to dinner, we got you covered. Let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day and how everything's going. I love hearing from you guys. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit that little bell down there. That's all free. Nothing charges you a penny. You don't have to buy a YouTube Red. Just hit the little
you'll
bell notifications as soon as my new videos go up. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!